Right now, as you're listening to my voice, your brain is actually living 15 seconds in the past. That's not a metaphor, it's a neurological fact. What you perceive as the present moment has already happened. Time isn't what you think it is, and understanding this simple truth could fundamentally change how you experience every single moment of your life. Let's dive into the science. Imagine you're watching a ball fly through the air. Light hits your eyes, sound enters your ears, and the feeling of the wind touches your skin. All these signals travel to your brain at different speeds. To prevent a chaotic, fragmented reality, your brain does something incredible. It waits. It collects all the data, pieces it together like a puzzle, and then presents you with a smooth, continuous story of what just happened. This processing delay is about 15 seconds. You're not experiencing reality in real time. You're watching a slightly delayed broadcast curated by your own mind. It's like your brain is a movie editor, constantly cutting and splicing to create the seamless film of your life. This brings us to a fascinating illusion, the illusion of control. We spend so much energy worrying about the future, stressing over what might happen in the next minute, the next hour, the next day. But think about it, if your brain's present is actually the immediate past, what are you really worrying about? You're stressing over a future that your brain can't even process yet? Your consciousness is always playing catch up. This isn't meant to make you feel powerless, but to liberate you. The constant anxiety about what's next is often a battle against a phantom, because your brain only truly knows what has already occurred. This is where the ancient wisdom of living in the now gets a modern scientific upgrade. Mindfulness isn't just a spiritual concept, it's a biological strategy. When you practice being present, you're not trying to predict the future or change the past. You are actively choosing to focus on the rich tapestry of information your brain is currently assembling for you. You're appreciating the 15-second movie it has so carefully produced. By focusing on your breath, the feeling of your feet on the ground, or the sounds around you, you're aligning your conscious attention with your brain's processed reality. It is a way of saying thank you to your brain for the incredible job it is doing, and fully immersing yourself in the masterpiece it has created for you. So, what's the life lesson here? It's powerful and simple. You can't change the past literally, the 15 seconds that just unfolded and became your present. That moment is gone, processed, and filed away. But you have absolute power over what comes next. You can choose the thoughts, actions, and intentions that will form the reality your brain processes in the next asterisk 15 seconds. You are the director of your own future experience. Instead of being a passive viewer of your life's delayed broadcasts, you can become the active participant in creating the content for the next scene. You can't change your past, but you can choose what your next 15 seconds will become. What will you choose? Thank you so much for exploring this incredible idea with me. If this shifted your perspective, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content that helps you level up your life. I'll see you in the next one.